Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to take the spoiler off this 2009 Infiniti G37X. Should only take about 10 minutes. It's very easy. First thing you want to do is take out these clips. There's 10 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, there's 11 clips. And then you also have this pulling tab that you got to take out as well. So get yourself one of these. Just apply it to. I'm missing one clip there. Just gotta get right under the clip and pull it out just like this. Put it in a safe place where you won't lose it. One fell. And all the clips are out. So you gotta take this handle thing out. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This thing right here. Okay, it's just to pull the trunk down. Just gotta get right under it. And it'll come right out. Okay, next, once all this is loose, it's only been hung on by this right here. Just gotta tuck it under, just like this. Play with it a little bit, wiggle it a little bit, until it comes out. Okay. So next, you have 4 8mm bolts to take out. So you got one right here. I'm missing one right there actually. It's a really old car, guys, sorry. You have 2, 3, and 4. I'm using an impact driver just to make things a bit faster. You can use a ratchet if you want. Make sure it doesn't fall into the trunk. Again, put it in a safe place where you won't lose it. And then also, this rear camera, it wasn't plugged. But it will be plugged in like this. Let me show you. Okay. Right over here, you have the rear view camera, the backup camera. You just gotta unplug this. What might help is if you have one of these pocket screwdrivers, you can just push on the tab and pull it right out. So once you do all that, it's pretty much held in by clips at this point. You just gotta wiggle it out. You can hear them, it sounds like something's breaking, but it's not. Just gotta wiggle a little bit. There you go, that's it. And then the backup camera will come out with the cable, and that is pretty much it, guys. Anyways, if you like the video, please give it a like, give me a comment, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.